This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training Zanzibar in collaboration with Good Neighbors. The program is funded by KOICA.
Dear listener, you may learn useful concept of chemistry in this program as far as you pay your attention to listen. However, our program today is specially for Form 1 chemistry learners. The program will provide free discussion on A. Physical and chemical changes of matter. Physical and chemical changes of matter. B. Characteristics of physical and mental changes. Characteristics of physical and mental changes. Self-assessment is allowed while the program is going on. Self-assessment is allowed while the program is going on. For our lovely teacher, this program will help you to prepare a simple lesson for your students so that they will learn with joy, improve their performance and competence.
Hello, Musa.
Hi, Salma.
Nice to see you.
And so do I.
How did you know that I'm here?
Your young sister told me.
You are warmly welcome.
Thank you, my friend. Can I help you?
Yes. Take that trash, then dispose.
Okay.
Where did you put them?
I burned them. Why you ask?
Because I forgot to tell you that. You would have to put them in an outside container.
For what?
I have something to do with pieces of paper.
Pieces of paper. What is that?
Making charcoal.
So, are they no longer useful?
Exactly. When they are completely burnt, they will change. Will you easily make pieces of paper from ash?
No, I wouldn't.
Why not?
Because they have changed permanently.
Yeah, I see. The change is irreversible.
Yes, it is. Sorry, can I have a glass of water, please? I'm thirsty.
There is no water in the fridge, but you can take a bowl of juice.
Thank you. Oh, it is frozen. I have to wait for it until it melts.
I'm sorry for that. The fridge is on since day before yesterday.
Well, it's not a big deal. I will expose it to the sun.
Right. It will melt soon.
Is melting a temporary or a permanent change?
It is a temporary change.
Is it? Really?
Yeah. Because it involves only a change in physical state.
Very interesting. Oh, it has just frozen and turned back to liquid again.
Exactly.
Look, what about the copies you make?
Since neither a piece of paper nor ink change their composition, then it is a physical change.
You confuse me, Salma.
No need to be confused. Those temporary changes are said to be physical changes.
I got you. So, permanent change is said to be a chemical change.
Absolutely.
Then, how many physical and chemical changes occur in our life?
Uncountable. But there are a lot.
I agree with you.
Oh, the rain!
Yes, it's raining.
Shut the door, please.
Okay.
This is another example of change.
Really?
Yeah.
In which group can we categorize it?
Let's think about its formation.
Water evaporates, then condenses.
After that,
Water evaporates to steam or water vapor.
then
Steam is condensed to rain, liquid water again.
do you see?
Yeah, I do.
Basically, water does not change its composition, but only its state.
Okay. Liquid water turns to gaseous state. Then back to liquid.
That is exactly what happened. I feel hot. Open the door, please.
Alright. That change is reversible. It is a physical change.
You are right.
I want to know what science would help me to distinguish the changes.
Okay. You can observe evolution of heat, light, or both.
I got you. So is that what happened when pieces of paper burn?
Exactly. But also, the color and smell change.
That is also happening to the burning of paper.
Sometimes you might think it is a chemical change, but it is not.
Okay, can you give me an example, please?
Yes. Metal workers melt iron to make various tools such as machetes.
So, is that a physical change?
Yes, it is a physical change because it will be still iron.
But new substance has formed.
Exactly.
Hey! My glass!
I'm sorry, Musa, for a nice glass. Don't worry, you will get the new one.
Thank you, Salma. Although it is a physical change.
Yeah,
What about blending tomato?
blending is a physical change, but cooking it is a chemical change.
Okay, and about the metal rust?
What do you think?
I think it is a chemical change. It is irreversible.
Perfect. We use baking soda when making bread. Is it a physical or chemical change?
It is a physical change before cooking it.
It is not. Sorry.
What? I can't agree with you. Mixing flour, baking soda, and water is not a chemical change.
Calm down, my friend. When mixing those, you will see flour expand.
I know. What does the expansion indicate?
It indicates that gas is released. This is a sign of a chemical change.
Uh-huh. I get you. Thanks.
You are welcome.
Oh my god, it is 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it is. Do you wish to go somewhere?
Yes, My football team is playing a match today.
In which position do you play?
I'm not a player. I'm just a fan.
Okay. I'm waiting for my brother. I will leave when he comes.
Okay. Before I leave, I would like to say thank you
For what?
for today's discussion.
Was it helpful?
Yes, it was very helpful. Now I can distinguish between physical and chemical changes with confidence.
Prove what you have just said, Musa.
In a physical change, no new substance is formed, but new substance is formed in a chemical change.
Very good. What about in a change?
Energy often changes when a chemical change occurs.
Which change is reversible?
Physical change is reversible.
Yes. Physical change involves the change in physical properties of a substance. Physical change involves the change in physical properties of a substance. What about chemical change?
Chemical change involves the change in chemical properties.
Melting, blending, freezing, and evaporating are examples of physical change.
Cooking, combusting, decomposing, rusting are examples of chemical change.
I think we have gained a lot today about physical and chemical changes of matter.
Yes, we have. Now let's go. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe mjini. Soma, soma mwana soma, uwe kijijini. Soma, soma mwana soma, ukiwa na mahitaji maalum. Soma, soma mwana soma.
Alright, we were together in your discussion and I'm so happy. Hopefully, our dear listener has gained a lot through your discussion. Now, here are the questions about the topic for further discussion. On your own time, collect various things. Use those things to find physical and chemical changes. On your own time, collect various things. Use those things to find physical and chemical changes. Show the differences between physical and chemical changes. Show the differences between physical and chemical changes. Here is the end of this program, but you are so welcomed in the coming program. So until next time, bye-bye.